In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app. We'll walk through this using Slack's own interface so you can follow along in your browser. To start, open Slack and go to your direct messages with Slackbot. It doesn't really matter which conversation you're in, but using Slackbot is a nice neutral place to begin and matches what you'll see on screen. From there, look towards the main Slack window and click on the highlighted area that opens the sidebar for extra tools. In that panel, you'll see an option labeled Apps and Workflows. Go ahead and click that. This is where Slack centralizes app-related actions, including discovering apps and building your own. Inside Apps and Workflows, look for a button or link that says Build. Click that to jump into Slack's app management and developer tools. This will take you to Slack's API site where all custom app configuration lives. On the Slack API page, locate and click Create an App. If you see the option more than once, just select the main Create an App button again to continue. Slack will then ask how you want to set things up. Choose the option that says you want to use their configuration UI to manually add basic info, scopes, settings, and features to your app. This gives you the most control and is ideal when you're learning. Next, give your app a name by typing it into the app name field. Pick something descriptive so your teammates will recognize it later. Then, click where it says Select a Workspace. From the drop-down, choose the Slack workspace where you want this app to live. Once that's selected, click Create App to confirm. If Slack suggests discarding any unsaved changes at this point, click Discard Changes so you're working from a clean, default configuration. Now you'll see the app's settings dashboard. Click on the highlighted sections in the interface to expand or open any panels that Slack is drawing your attention to. In the left-hand navigation, click on Collaborators if you want to add other people who can help manage this app. Then go to Socket Mode, where you can enable real-time communication if your app needs it. After that, click Install App to install your new app into the workspace you chose. Once the app is installed, click Manage Distribution to review how your app can be shared. From there, step through the feature sections in the left menu: App Home, Agents and AI apps, Work Object Previews, Workflow Steps, Org-level apps, Incoming Webhooks, Interactivity and Shortcuts, and finally, /commands. Clicking each of these opens the configuration pages where you can turn features on or off and fine-tune how your Slack app behaves.